Today we will learn the names of some fruits. Avocado. This fruit is called avocado.
Avocado. This is avocado. This avocado is very ripe.
Watermelon. Watermelon is a big berry. This watermelon is very ripe and fragrant. It is very sweet and juicy.
Red currant. This is red currant. Red currant.
Red currant. This is red currant. Lemon. Lemon is a citrus. Lemon has a sour taste. Pomegranate. This is pomegranate. This pomegranate is sweet.
Pomegranate. This is pomegranate. Pomegranate.
Peach. Peach is pink and fragrant. Very sweet.
Pear. This is pear. This pear is very soft. It smells so good. Pear.
Lokwa. Lokwa is an exotic sweet fruit. So tasty. This is not an apple. This is not a peach. This is a Peruvian apple cactus. Peruvian apple cactus.
This is Peruvian apple cactus. Peruvian apple cactus.
Tangerine. Tangerine is citrus. This tangerine is very juicy and sweet.
Plum. This is a plum. A red, sweet plum is a delightful fruit with a vibrant crimson skin. Vibrant crimson skin. Its smooth exterior gives way to juicy, succulent flesh. Plum with juicy flesh.
Banana. Banana is yellow and sweet. Delicious. Can you guess what kind of fruit is this?
Dates. These are fresh dates. They are very sweet. Dates.
Date is the fruit of a palm tree. Dates